iPaaS Foundation series quiz. Launch the quiz. Yeah, it will ask like this. Click on the continue. Which type of applications can be integrated using Informatica iPaaS? ERP systems, CRM systems, cloud-based applications. Yes, all these type of applications we can integrate, right? Following are examples of trend in the market that calls for an API and application integration solution. So following are examples of trends in the market that calls for an API and application integration solution. Explosion in SaaS apps. People write code using GPT. Explosion in SaaS apps and people writing code using GPT and AI and ML in apps driving growth. Following examples of trends in the market that calls for an API application integration solution. So APIs and all, we will use APIs in SaaS apps, GPTs and MLs also. The AI engine that is part of Informatica iPaaS solution is called Informatica iPaaS solution is called Lambda, Llama, Cohere, Claire. Here the correct answer is AI engine that is part of Informatica iPaaS called is Claire. Yeah, we can select Claire. We will learn all these things later. This is a foundation certificate. Now just complete and get the certificate. In what areas do enterprises see fragmentation that calls for an iPaaS solution? Here, in what areas do enterprises see fragmentation that calls for an iPaaS solution? Application AI, communication architecture, applications data, people API, API cloud, database DevOps, people generate AI, cloud platform. Here the correct answer is, in what areas do enterprise see fragmentation that calls for an iPaaS solution is applications, data, people, API. These areas commonly experience fragmentation within enterprises, which leads to silos and disconnected systems that iPaaS platforms are designed to address through integration. That's the main reason, right? So here, next question. So which is the primary role of cloud application integration in Informatica iPaaS structure? What is the primary role of cloud application integration in iPaaS structure? So process incoming data of all partners, I think central piece of the process orchestration. Here the correct answer is like process incoming data of all patterns and send it to CIH for other processing. So processing incoming data and sending it to CIH for further processing. So acting as the central piece of the process orchestration workflow, integrating incoming data with backend systems like CRM, ERP. So all are correct. So here on which hyperscale platform is Informatica's iPaaS available? Cloud service providers. Most of the cloud service providers for iPaaS is like Amazon Web Services, IBM Cloud, Salesforce Cloud, and Microsoft Azure. So these are the major cloud services providing, and these major cloud services provided in the market are available as iPaaS also. So iPaaS connectors are available. So Amazon AWS, like IBM Cloud and Salesforce Cloud and Microsoft Cloud. Actually GCP Google Cloud also there, one of the major cloud platform, but here these are the here not option is not available. Actually this is the correct in these platforms it has iPaaS. So Informatica customer was able to leverage the iPaaS solution to create a single source of truth by creating integrations. This is an example of which one of the four Informatica iPaaS case uses. App to app integration. Informatica customer was able to leverage the iPaaS solution to create a single source of the truth by creating integration. This is an example of app to app integration. So here Informatica iPaaS solution follows the 5E principle. What are the 5 E's? Easy, efficient, enterprise grade, everyone, everywhere. Here API Center is a service in Informatica iPaaS solution which can be used to do following. Select all the apply. Here API Center is a service in Informatica iPaaS solution which can be used to the following. Select all the apply and enforce. Here enforce operational and governance policy or APIs. Design, deploy, manage and secure APIs. This will be the correct option. Here receipts in Informatica iPaaS allows customer to use pre-built integration templates to kickstart development. Yes. Orchestration and human workflow capabilities in Informatica allow organizations to automate complex business processes that involve both system tasks and human interactions. Orchestration and human workflow capabilities in Informatica allow organizations to automate complex business processes that involve both system and tasks, human interactions. Yes, true. What is the primary role of business-to-business gateway in Informatica iPaaS architecture? Here the main answer is like performs data and protocol translation to ensure smooth communication with trading partners. Yeah, that is the correct answer. An Informatica customer developed a Gen AI powered chatbot using Informatica iPaaS, which enables that to do which of the following. Select all the apply. Demonstrate the scalability of integrated internal GPT for enterprise wise. Provide more recommendations on Netflix. No, Netflix not relevant. Optimize the billing process. Stop data leakage to public chart tools like GPT. Informatica iPaaS is an all pattern integration solution because we support API and application integration, process orchestration, data integration. Benefits of IPUs are chargebacks, track consumption for departmental chargebacks, optional all of the options, use based, customer only pays what they use, and all of the above. What makes Informatica iPaaS the undisputed leader in the market? Informatica iPaaS delivers 130% average return on investment for customers. Informatica iPaaS supports all patterns of integration. Analyst firms like Gartner place Informatica iPaaS is the top quadrant. Yeah, all of those we can go. Following are service which are part of Informatica solution. Application integration, ETL, API management, data warehousing. Yes. not data warehouse, not ETL. The following service which are part of Informatica iPaaS. So iPaaS will place integration and API management only, not related to this one. And Informatica customer automated billing process, reducing customer billing to weeks from months. Using which capabilities of Informatica iPaaS solution? Select all that apply. Like montage API allow customer to reduce time to charge their users. Profile customers based on their buying behavior and recommended them new products. Gave insights to marketing teams to target certain. Yeah, this one only. Montage API allow customer to reduce time to charge their end users. The 4 main use cases of iPaaS. iPaaS 4 use cases means you have to read all those. API lifecycle management, legacy app modernization, process of organization, data governance. App to app integration, process orchestration, not like that. API lifecycle management. Here app to app integration, process orchestration, legacy modernization, building Gen AI apps for by orchestrating LLMs and RAG systems. Yeah. IDMC stands for Integrated Data Migration Connector, Intelligent Data Management Cloud. Informatica Data Management Cloud. Yeah, IDMC if you want to. You already know IDMC, Informatica Data Management Cloud. Using Informatica iPaaS solution, users can create process orchestration in minutes using a low-code, no-code interface. Yes, it's true. IPU stands for Intelligent Processing Unit, Informatica Processing Unit, Integrated Platform for Updates, Information Processing Unit. Here all 4 are relevant, but Intelligent Processing Unit is most probable answer. Most commonly and widely recognized expansion of IP is generally in technological context is in Intelligent Processing Unit only. So remember that. If a customer wants to connect an application which is not natively support via an out of the box connector, what can they do? Here the answer is like build a new app connection using another existing connector. Yeah, if a customer wants to connect an application which is not natively supported via an out of the box connector, at that time build a new app connection using another existing connector. That is the correct answer. The ideal integration solution should have the following 3 characteristics. Here the best characters are AI powered, scalable and secure. It seems like a strong combo actually for an ideal integration solution, balancing tech capabilities with operational robustness. Okay, yeah. Informatica's cloud application integration can be used to accomplish which of the following tasks? Acts as a user authentication platform and verify user logins, carry out phishing attacks on target systems, create process orchestration, design and deploy APIs, facilitate seamless communication between. Yeah, this one it seems create process orchestration, design and deploy APIs, facilitate seamlessly communication between disparate systems. Yeah, in Informatica iPaaS, when you run an integration that you build, which service allows you to monitor it? Application integration console, application API portal. Yeah, API portal. Yeah. Service connectors can import metadata definitions to create a connector using which of the following? Service connectors can import metadata definitions to create a connector using which of the following? Open API definition, WSDL definition, Swagger definition, all of the all of the above actually. Here it supports all types of API connectors. So that's why we are selecting all of the above. Informatica iPaaS connectors are used to do which of the following? Enable end-to-end encryption between communicating parties, connect web application to database using type 4 JDBC connection, create connectors to cloud, on-prem or hybrid applications to enable integration. Yeah, this one only. Create connectors to cloud, on-prem, hybrid applications. Yeah. Informatica iPaaS is the best in the market because it provides. Informatica takes a persona-driven integration approach, only AI-powered data management platform with metadata system of records, broadest set of connectors as accelerates, and yeah, cloud integrations. Yeah, all of the above you can select. What is the name of the industry-only pub-sub architecture-based iPaaS offering by Informatica? Here, Event RabbitMQ, Cloud Integration Hub, IMDC PubSub, Event Hub. Here, the correct answer is not IMDC, it's Event Hub. Yeah, here mostly Informatica's Event Hub is known as the industry's only PubSub architecture-based iPaaS offering. Yeah, that's why we are Informatica's Event Hub. Yeah. So let's review our answers. 60% should be there, minimum pass mark. All questions answered. Yeah, submit the final answers. Okay, we did so many mistakes, but we completed our certification, but we did so many mistakes. Let's see. In this way you can complete the certification. Okay, click on the done and just print the certificate.
Ada result.